Hi there, welcome to the Ukulele channel and welcome to this demonstration and tutorial of one of Elizabeth Ragsdale's 100 chord melodies, which are available for free at my website at ukestuff.info. If you just go to Ukulele Music, you'll see the drop down for Elizabeth's works, and they are totally free. There's no strings attached, no email needed. They're there for you to download. I want to thank her for making these available to everyone for free. This is the song Beans, Bacon, and Gravy that appears on page 13 of the collection. The topics of this video, first of all, I'll talk about what chord melody is. Then I'll demonstrate the song on low G GCA ukulele. These were arranged for low G, but most of them work with high G as well. Then I'll do tutorial for the song on low G GCA ukulele. Then I'll demonstrate it on high G and baritone as well, because you can play it on both. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to my two YouTube channels, both the Uke Playlongs channel and the Uke Stuff channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. If you like chord melodies, I do have two books of chord melodies available for purchase. You can buy them at the Buy Me a Coffee page, Hymns and Carols. You can find them on the Apple Bookstore. You can find them on the Amazon store in print and for Kindle. If you like chord melodies, not only are Elizabeth's works available on my website at, again, ukestuff.info, Ukulele Music, you can find more than 40 arrangements that I have for free there that are not the books. You can also find links to the works by Tony Krimlisk. You can find a link to the website of Spencer Gay's Uke Education, and then you can also find a link to the works by the late ukulele Mike Lynch, but those are paid materials. So what is chord melody? Chord melody is playing both the melody and the harmony at the same time, letting your ukulele do the singing, but then generally you're only using your thumb, and you're either playing a chord, you're playing a part of a chord, or a single note. You're going to be reading tablature, so when you're doing that, tablature has 4 lines. The bottom line is the 4th string of the ukulele. The top line is the 1st string, and any numbers tell you what fret to play. So for example, on this song, you're going to see a 2 on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then a 3 on the 2nd string, which means play a 3rd fret on the 2nd string. It's outlining the G shape, but you play string 3, string 2 at the 2nd fret and the 3rd fret. And that's how you play chord melody along with the song. So let's demonstrate it for you on low G. All right, let's walk you through the song as a tutorial. Make a G shape, play string 3, string 2, full G chord. Repeat the 1st string 3 more times. G chord, 2nd string. Now lift up, play the 1st string open, then strings 4, 3, and 2, but put your ring finger on the 2nd string 3rd fret. Repeat the 2nd string, lift up on the 2nd string, and then play a G chord, but just strings 4 and 3. Now we're going to outline that G shape again. 3rd string, 2nd fret, G chord. Repeat the 1st string twice. 2nd string, D chord. 1st string twice. 2nd string, G chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. That's going to happen again. 2nd string, 3rd fret, you're right there twice more. C chord. Then this is fast. Pa pa pa. Now, if you want to use 2 fingers, you certainly can, or 3 fingers, you certainly can. 1, 2, 3, or fast with your thumb. Whatever works best for you. Another C chord, 1st string again, G chord, 1st string twice, down to the 1st fret, back to a G chord, 1st string open. Now, switch your 1st and 2nd fingers around and play strings 3 and 4 on the 3rd and 4th fret. Play strings 4, 3, and 2. 2nd string, 3 times, down to an A7 chord, 2nd string 3rd fret, 2nd string 2nd fret, 2nd string 3rd fret, D chord. D chord again, G shape again, so strings 3, 2. G chord, repeat the 1st string 3 times, G chord, 1st string twice more, 2nd string, 1st string open, ring finger goes down on the 2nd string 3rd fret, repeat the 2nd string, open 2nd string, then you're going to be making a G shape here, so play strings 4 and 3, 3rd string, 2nd string, G shape, whole thing, 1st string twice more, 2nd string, D chord, 1st string twice, 2nd string, G chord, strings 4, 3, and 2, repeat the 2nd string, down 1 fret to the 2nd fret, and then back, strings 4, 3, and 2. And that's beans, bacon, and gravy on low GGC ukulele. Now let me just demonstrate it on high GGC ukulele and baritone as well. On baritone, I'm actually not playing baritone. I'm playing a concert with Pepe Romero, baby baritone strings on it, so I can play it like a baritone. But I just want to mention that the chords you see and the melody line is not right for baritone, but the tabs will work. Thank you so much for joining me for this demonstration and tutorial of beans, bacon, and gravy, found on page 13 of Elizabeth Ragsdale's 100 chord melodies, which again are available for free at my website at ukestuff.info. Just go to Ukulele Music, find her stuff, no strings attached. I hope you're having a great day. I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.